Our project is a cell phone operated hog trap device that will be triggered using a cell phone no matter where you are. Once a hog goes into the trap, you could use a cell camera that's going to send you pictures of whatever is in your trap, and you can send a passcode, like any passcode that you want to set, to the Arduino. Send a simple text message, and with a little delay, you got them.
Alright, so inside the box we have Arduino. It's used to power, well, not necessarily power, but control a solenoid, which will be hooked up to these two wires right here. What the Arduino does is it receives a cell signal from this Botletics SIM7000A Arduino shield. These wires right here, two of them supply power to this 5-volt relay, which only handles 10 amps of it only handles 10 amps. Well, what I've done is I've hooked that up to the Arduino to activate whenever where you receive a cell phone signal. And then this automotive relay, it uses 12 volts to activate. So I have 12 volts coming in here, coming out here, going to this relay. This relay is hooked up to this battery, and then once this is activated, and it's almost instantaneously activated whenever this activates, it sends signal, or it sends 12 volt positive to this wire, and 12 volt negative to this wire is already there because it's hooked directly up to the battery. This is a 12 volt battery. I think you can get these for like a Hot Wheels car or a wheelchair, or like a I want to say like an exit sign or whatever. This is a 8-pack AA battery pack. It supplies 12 volts. I'm using it just for the Arduino because I didn't know if there was a big voltage drop whenever you activated this relay to activate the solenoid, because the solenoid says it can take up to I believe 40 amps, and that's why I had to use two relays, because this relay is rated for 40 amps where this one's only rated for 10. This little battery pack right here is a 3.7 Lipo battery. It's rechargeable, and you have to have it to power the Arduino shield for the cell service, or it will not work. We have a prepaid SIMs card in here. It could cost you $5 to $10 a month depending on how much you use it. And the way we have it programmed is you literally send it a certain passcode, and that's when it activates. And the case is designed in SolidWorks and 3D printed. I designed this to house everything and make it all neat and stuff. This little guy right here is just a prototype board. It's soldered. I've got one pin here, 2 pins here. It was just to clean up the wiring just a little bit.